The ADXL series of soft starters from Mechtric offers simple, efficient and safe control for three-phase motors in industrial applications from 15 to 160 watts. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Providing two-phase control with a built-in bypass relay to minimise power consumption during normal operation, the soft starters offer full control of motor torque, including a useful kick-start function. The soft starters are easy to control, whether from the front panel with its clear backlit display or from an Android smartphone or tablet using NFC connectivity. A full set of protective functions is built in to safeguard both the motor and the soft starter itself from electrical and thermal overloads. And alarms can be set to schedule maintenance based on either operating hours or start-up operations. And you can find out more about the ADXL series of soft starters at all the W's, mechtric.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.